Everything I own, people wave at. Motorcycle, you get the motorcycle wave. The Jeep, you get the Jeep wave. The Corvette, you get the Corvette wave. Sometimes I mix it up while I'm driving. Memorial Day weekend traffic. No blinker. Good job. Another no blinker. Good job.
Bunch of organized holes.
What's up with that shit? Old Oak Tavern. Oh, look at that. Definitely a lot of rubbernecking going on this weekend. Yeah, that's for sure. Expect to do 10 miles per hour under the speed limit. You can do it. Ugh. Holy shit. What the hell? What the hell was that thing? Yeah, the old statement still holds true. Ride like you're invisible. Make believe they don't see you. And hopefully you'll survive riding motorcycles. Nice and cool in the shade here. Yeah, I thought I'd see some snakes crossing the road today, being so hot. Turtles, something. Nothing. Yep. Nice fucking job. See what I'm talking about? I was ready. I'm always ready. I did take my Honda out for a ride last week, but that's when my GoPro started screwing up. Then I didn't get not much footage that was usable. So now I'm using my kid's GoPro until I find out what I'm gonna do. No turtles. Oh, there they are. One. There's Blade. What's up, Blade?
Living the dream, you know.
Oh yeah.
Living a fucking old Oak Tavern.
Oh yeah, I saw it. I went by there.
They were setting something up earlier.
I didn't get gas yet, and I'm still not hitting reserve.
Hit it last night on the way home, you said.
Nope, light's still flashing.
Wanna go get gas in that?
I don't care.
Should we stop and have a beer? What do you say?
Car coming. Yeah, I don't care. Whatever you want to do.
Alright, so we'll go back and have a fucking Coors Light.
Yeah, we'll see what they got.
A few moments later.
Yeah, stop for a brewski at the Old Oak Tavern. Just one. Go up and get some gas. Maybe head up some New York back roads. Yeah, you guys got any questions or comments or whatever? I try to answer every single one. I don't mind. Just give me a like and a follow. That's all I ask. Now I'm full. 2.6 gallons. How much is it? Pump 4. Thanks. Follow me, I'll show you a spot in New York. Bunny rabbit. Yeah. I was wondering if that was you.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
I saw it. Oh, there he is. I just looked back. I was like, I just picked up a tail.
Got a nice NX125. Local guy watches my YouTube videos. Hooked up with me on Instagram. Camp Berkshire. Guess I'm gonna eat some dirt. That's alright. Just get some air off of that baby when I was a kid.
Dogs love motorcycles.
What do you think? You want to go that way and back through Kent?
I don't care. I don't know where the fuck we are. It don't matter.
We're up in Dover now.
Let's go back towards Connecticut. Back to the bed? Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, if you're local and you got any places to ride or you want to ride, hit me up. Send me a message either on below on the comments in my video or on MotoCheez Instagram account. Squirrely. That's some squirrely rocks. Blades hauling. Stupid bug in my windshield.
That's why
Man, I rode this road so much when I was a kid. Dirt bikes, quads. You want to go up to that big game hunt thing?
Who was beeping? You?
They were waving.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, they were waving, so I beeped at them. Yeah, baby. I love the smell of burnt rubber. That little 125 skets.
All right, brother. We'll catch you soon enough, man.
Yeah, we'll do another ride. I know where you are now.
Yeah, definitely.
Moto 2018. He's got a new YouTube channel. Give him some subs. It's hard starting out, but that NX125, pretty badass old Honda. That should be able to get him some subs. Just that bike alone, man. You don't see many of them around anymore. Got to jump on him.
Pet Cemetery.
Don't be mad. There you go. Take your motor for a walk.
Too much power for the Jeep.